Imagine a world where law enforcement no longer relies solely on human officers. Instead, the streets are patrolled by robotic dogs, high-tech, autonomous machines equipped with artificial intelligence, cameras, and advanced weaponry. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, in China, this futuristic vision is turning into reality. China is deploying an army of robotic police dogs, revolutionizing modern law enforcement. But how do they work, and what does this mean for the future of policing? Let's find out. In the past few years, the use of artificial intelligence and robotics in security and defense has grown exponentially. China, known for its rapid technological advancements, has taken this a step further by launching robotic police dogs to assist in law enforcement and military operations. These robotic canines are not just surveillance machines. They come equipped with facial recognition, real-time data analysis, and even weaponized capabilities. In this video, we'll explore how China's robotic police dogs function, their potential impact on society, and the concerns they raise regarding surveillance and ethics. Stay tuned as we dive into this groundbreaking innovation. What are China's police robot dogs? China's police robot dogs are a result of significant advancements in AI, robotics, and automation. These four-legged robots resemble real dogs, but are built with state-of-the-art technology. Developed by Chinese tech firms in collaboration with the government, they serve as an extension of human law enforcement officers. These robotic dogs come with AI-powered navigation, allowing them to autonomously move through urban landscapes. Their 360-degree surveillance cameras provide real-time monitoring, and their facial recognition technology enables them to identify suspects instantly. Some models are even rumored to be equipped with remote-controlled weapon systems, making them useful in dangerous law enforcement scenarios. Why is China deploying these robots? China's government has long prioritized AI and robotics in law enforcement. With increasing security threats and the need for a more efficient policing system, these robotic dogs offer several advantages. They help reduce human risk by being deployed in high-danger situations like bomb detection or armed confrontations. Additionally, their enhanced surveillance capabilities allow authorities to monitor vast areas efficiently. Over time, they may prove to be cost-effective, since they do not require salaries, pensions, or benefits. The fact that they can operate 24/7 without fatigue makes them an even more valuable asset to law enforcement agencies. How do these robotic dogs work? These robotic dogs function through a combination of AI, deep learning, and real-time data processing. They patrol designated areas using LiDAR sensors, which allow them to detect movement and analyze their surroundings. Their cameras and sensors collect and transmit live data to control centers, where human officers can monitor situations remotely. Advanced AI algorithms enable them to distinguish between normal activity and suspicious behavior, helping law enforcement react quickly to potential threats. Some models are even designed to make autonomous decisions, such as issuing verbal warnings or alerting authorities when needed. Real-world applications. China has already tested these robotic dogs in multiple settings. They have been deployed for crowd control in public spaces, monitoring large gatherings and protests to maintain order. At border security checkpoints, they patrol and identify unauthorized individuals or potential threats. Additionally, they assist in crime scene investigations, equipped with forensic tools to help analyze evidence. In urban areas, they play a role in traffic control, regulating pedestrian flow and ensuring road safety. These versatile applications showcase their potential to revolutionize law enforcement. Ethical and privacy concerns. While these robotic police dogs offer many benefits, they also raise significant concerns. One of the biggest issues is mass surveillance. With China already being one of the most surveilled nations, the deployment of these robots could further erode privacy. There is also the risk of AI decision-making errors. where misidentification of threats could lead to wrongful actions. The potential weaponization of these robots raises ethical concerns about excessive force and misuse. Moreover, the integration of robotic dogs in policing may lead to job displacement, as many human officers could be replaced by machines in the near future. The future of police robotics. China's success with robotic police dogs could set a precedent for other countries. Many nations, including the US and South Korea, are already experimenting with similar robotic policing technologies. However, the question remains, will these robots make law enforcement more efficient, or will they contribute to an increasingly dystopian surveillance state? As AI continues to evolve, the integration of robotics into law enforcement will likely become more widespread. The key will be balancing innovation with ethics, ensuring that such technology is used responsibly and transparently. Potential expansion beyond China. China's robotic police dogs are gaining global attention, and other countries may soon follow suit. Some reports suggest that China is considering exporting this technology to allied nations looking to modernize their law enforcement strategies. If widely adopted, we could see robotic police dogs in major cities worldwide, assisting in crime prevention and public safety operations. This potential expansion raises concerns about international regulations, ethical considerations, and how different governments will implement these robotic units. Public reaction and controversy. The introduction of robotic police dogs has sparked mixed reactions. While some view them as a step forward in law enforcement efficiency, others see them as a symbol of an increasingly controlled society. Critics argue that these robots could be used to suppress dissent, monitor citizens excessively, or even become a tool for authoritarian control. Potential risks and malfunctions. While robotic police dogs are designed to be highly efficient, they are not immune to technical failures and cybersecurity threats. A malfunctioning robot could misinterpret commands, fail to identify real threats, or even pose unintended risks to civilians. Additionally, these robotic units rely on AI and internet connectivity, making them vulnerable to hacking. China's launch of the world's first police robot dog army marks a significant shift in law enforcement technology. While these high-tech machines offer enhanced security and efficiency, they also raise pressing concerns about privacy, ethics, and the future of policing. Will robotic police dogs become the new norm worldwide, or will they remain a controversial experiment? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Are you excited about this technology, or do you think it's a step too far? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and innovation updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.